Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, so this is a bridge between Taipa, that's on the left, and just before we get into it, there's a little walkway there, and there's a running path, that green spot in front of all those buildings, and that goes all the way to the other bridge. And it's kind of interesting because I always thought that was really beautiful just to walk up and down that. But now you can see this right here. You see all this construction, there's all the sand in there, and there's cranes. But yeah, now there's these, they call it reclamation projects or plans. So basically they're building way out here in the water, and they're going to be doing, I think, like mixed use. So basically you can see cranes, and actually I also just want to say all that stuff in the background is part of Hengqin Island. So that might be like the second Macau, there's some people are saying. And so basically that might be a place where, I think that is like kind of financial center for the future. But anyways, all this stuff right here is like reclaimed land, and they're going to do like more mixed use, more tall buildings, I guess some restaurants, residential. So I don't know, you can see all the changes. So I thought I'd want to record this while I went across the bridge and just, share and let people know. There's a lot of spaces in Macau that's reclaimed land, and there's going to be a lot more as well. So I don't know what percentage, but I'm going to guess like maybe 25% is maybe reclaimed already. Anyways, this is kind of interesting just for a person just to kind of see what's happening. So all those boats out there are filled with sand and such. Okay.
Chiquinha.